In the quiet corners of memory, there are stories that echo softly through time, stories of innocence and loss, and the resilience of the human spirit. Today we embark on a journey that intertwines the past with the present, crafting a tangible tribute to a life taken way too soon. Amidst the chaos of the Oklahoma City bombing in 1995, one name stands out amongst the countless souls lost. A name etched in the hearts of those who remember. Kayla, a little girl whose laughter once danced on the wind, now resides in the gentle embrace of memory. Though Kayla's footsteps no longer grace this earth, her presence lingers in the laughter of children and the kindness of strangers. Through this ring we carry a memory forward, a beacon of light in the darkness, guiding us towards a future filled with compassion and understanding. Today we honour Kayla's spirit by transforming this ordinary piece of shoelace that she wore on that tragic day into a symbol of enduring love and remembrance, a ring that encapsulates her essence and the love she left behind. On that fateful morning of April 19th, 1995, amongst the countless lives forever altered by the tragic events, there existed another little girl named Katie, the sister of Kayla. In an enduring tribute, this pendant, a delicate link between Katie and her sister, bridging the gap of time and memory, like an unbreakable bond, ensures that Kayla remains close to Katie's heart for all eternity. This was quite a hard make for me, if I'm honest, and I wasn't actually going to agree to do these items. And it wasn't until I met Kayla's parents over video chat, that I could see that they are good people, and they've gone through such a traumatic event, and they're gonna have this loss for the rest of their lives. So by making these couple of items, I'm hoping that makes it better for them to have Kayla right next to them for the rest of their lives. If you liked this video, guys, please head down, hit that subscribe button, maybe a like as well. That would help me out massively. I do take on special jobs like this, but they're few and far between. I'm quite fussy. I don't just make anything for anybody. I've got to feel that it's something that I want to be part of. So thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Keep watching, actually, because this ring has got a little bit of a secret to it.